Hey everyone, welcome to Techbites. If you have been using Google Meet for slide presentation or online classes, then one of the problem you may encounter is that the audio or desktop audio is not being sent to the participants. So I have found a new solution for the desktop audio as well as your mic audio to be sent together. So let's begin with the process. So for the installation of BB audio cable, we are moving through the browser, and then on the browser make sure to type bbaudiocable.com and then click OK. Then on the browser we can see here audio apps, so click on the audio apps option and then click on the download option. If you are using a Microsoft running PC, then you can check the first download option, whereas if you are using the Mac PC, then you can check the second download option for installation of the virtual audio cable or BB audio cable. So if you click the download option, then our virtual audio cable is downloaded. So the download is already complete, so we can now extract the file, BB audio cable file. So let's move to the download section and then extract the BB audio cable driver pack. So the BB audio cable driver pack is being extracted. As I have already extracted the file, so it is showing this confirm file replace option. I am replacing all the files. Now my audio cable has been extracted. So simply head over to the folder and then install the setup file. So while installing, be careful that if your system is 32-bit system, then you have to install the BB audio cable setup file, whereas if you use a PC running 64-bit system, then you have to install the BB audio cable setup x64 file. So let's begin the installation process. As my PC runs on 64-bit system, then I am installing the 64-bit system. Just double click on the file and now the installation process has been started. However, I have already installed the driver, so I'm not going through the whole process. Make sure to install the file. It is just a simple process. Just click next and then your driver will be installed. As I have already installed the BB audio cable setup file, now I'll configure the BB audio cable. So in the first step, let's start the control panel. For that, I'm going to start by typing control panel and then selecting the control panel. Then move on the hardware and sound option and click on the manage audio device. So on the manage audio device option, we can see here that there is the recording option. Let's move to the recording option and then select your microphone. So be sure to check the microphone which you are using. For example, I have many microphones assigned here. I am going to choose USB audio device microphone. So let's select the USB audio device microphone and then click on listen. Now on the listen option, if you have unchecked this option, make sure to check it and then from the playback device, select cable input BB audio virtual cable. So enabling this option lets you hear the microphone. When finished, just click on the apply button and then click on OK and then again click on OK. Now we have already assigned our microphone signal to be passed through the BB audio cable. And in the next step, we are going to click on the speaker icon that is located on the taskbar. You could see here. On the speaker, we have set the speaker signal to be sent to the 5C media USB headphone set. So let's click here and then choose the cable input for your signal to be passed. Now in the next step, let's open Google Meet. Now as you are in the Google Meet session, then we can start a new meeting. I'm turning off my camera and then click on join now. So our audio meeting is already ready. Now we have to assign the microphone for this session. So let's move toward the setting here. On the bottom right corner we can see three dot option. Let's click on the dots and then we have the setting option available here. So on the microphone option, make sure to check the cable output VB audio virtual cable, so that the sound that we have sent from the desktop, that is passed through the cable input, and then the sound is then outputted through the cable output. So in this way, our microphone audio as well as the desktop audio is now able to be sent to the participants or the Google Meet session. So click on the done option. However, make sure to check your mic to be on during the presentation, because the desktop audio that is passed through the microphone, if you turn off your microphone, then the audio is not being sent to the participants. And once you finish the meeting, then make sure to check the speaker output to go through your output device or Realtek high definition audio, because after you finish the presentation, then if you do not check the microphone option, then your desktop audio is not being listened. You could not listen your desktop audio and it may create a problem for you. So this much for this session. In this session we have learned how to configure Google Meet to pass the desktop audio to all the participants or to the online learning session. Sorry for my bad English. If you want to learn new tips and tricks, and make sure to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Techbites. So this much for this session. Thank you.